Hello, it is pumpkin fruit carving time in Canada. It's usually carved to make jack-o'-lantern. So today I'll be showing you how this pumpkin fruit is carved to become a jack-o'-lantern. Let's go. Meanwhile, if you want to know the history behind the pumpkin fruit for jack-o'-lantern, please check out the website display. So you need your marker to mark the spots where you're going to carve. You have to carve the top first before you continue your carving. Let's go. Next, you use your carving tool to cut through where you marked. In this video, a knife was used, so if you're using a knife, please be careful not to cut yourself, okay? The cutting of the top of the pumpkin is almost over. Next is, as soon as you finish cutting it, is to pull out the cover that you cut. Wow, did you see the seed? It looks like a goosey seed. Just go ahead and scoop out everything from the pumpkin, the seeds, all of it. Just empty the pumpkin. Next is to mark out the face of the pumpkin. So you draw the eyes, the nose, the mouth. After drawing the face, then you take your tools and start cutting out the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. While you're watching, please remember to click on the subscribe button. Now we're doing the finishing touching on our pumpkin. You can see it already has a face. Just wait for the final activity, okay, to complete a jack-o'-lantern. To light up the pumpkin, you have to get a light bulb or something that can just give light and put inside the pumpkin and then cover it. Can you see that our pumpkin is lit up? Then after lighting the pumpkin, you take it outside, and this is how our pumpkin has turned into a jack-o'-lantern. Thanks for watching. Please click on the subscribe button, like our videos. Bye.